Hello friends, this is Coding Tiger. Welcome to my channel. If you are aiming to improve your coding skills for the incoming technical interviews, or just genuinely interested in software engineering topics, this is the right channel for you. Today let's discuss one LeetCode medium difficulty interview question, binary tree level order traversal. If you look at the example, the node 3 is on the top level, 920 on the second level, 15.7 on the third level. So your output should be an array of arrays, with each array containing the elements on the same level. If you ask this question during the interview, how do you go about it? This question can be solved recursively or iteratively, but recursion solution is not the focus for today's topic, so let's just focus on the iterative solution today. The key of the algorithm is to find the right data structure to store the nodes to be traversed. So intuitively, because we are trying to traverse a list of elements, we can use an array structure to do that. Specifically, we are trying to use a queue structure, which is a first in, first out structure, meaning the elements being pushed first will be popped out first. We are using a queue structure to store all the nodes on the current level. Then we should initiate this queue with just a root node. Then we can use a while loop to traverse the binary tree level by level until all the elements are visited. Now we have the basic logic nailed down. Let's start the implementation. Let's do some sanity check first. If the root is undefined or null, we should just return an empty array. Then we should define a results array to store the final results. Then let's initiate the queue with just a root node. Then we should use a while loop to traverse the binary tree level by level. In the beginning of each while loop, the queue array contains all the nodes on the current level. So we have to use a variable len to keep track how many elements we have to pop out of the queue to make sure we only pop out this number of elements for the current level. And we also define the empty temp array to store all the elements on the same level. And then we have another while loop to traverse all the elements on the same level. We pop the node from the beginning of the queue. And then we push this node value into the temp array. After that, we have to visit the left node of the node variable. If the left child exists, then we should push the left child into the end of the queue. If it has a right child, then we also push this right child into the end of the queue. Then we decrease length by 1. After this while loop, that means we have traversed all the elements on the same level. Then we push the results, the temp array, into the results. So after this, the queue array contains all the elements on the next level, and then we begin the while loop again until we visited all the elements in the binary tree. Then we can return results. Let's use the run code function to test my code. Accepted. And just another tip for the interview. Do not ever forget to test your code, even if it's just a simple case. But that shows a lot to the interview that you care about your code quality. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you next time.